What is up, everyone? Today, let's open up these Hot Wheels 58th anniversary set, dubbed as the Blue and Gold set. And here I have 5 out of the 6 castings in this mixed one because I couldn't find the chase piece of this set. Anyway, let's open it up one by one, and the timestamps are available in case you want to see a particular casting from this set. First up, we have a fantasy casting, the Bone Shaker. Oh, there seems to be a smudge on the roof paint. That's too bad. And yeah, this casting looks interesting. I mean, it's a fantasy, so nothing much to say. The paint used on this whole set is the Metal Flake Cerulean. This casting has a black plastic base rather than the gold chrome base others have. The Hot Wheels yellow decals on the sides look great, and the wheels on this casting are the 5-spoke wheels. Next up, we have the 1992 Honda Civic EG. I think this looks amazing. The Hot Wheels decals on the casting looks great. No front or back tail light details. I wish we got that. The base is gold chrome plastic, and the wheels are Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels. Next up, we have the 1970 Chevy Camaro RS. We get the standard Hot Wheel decals on the sides, gold chrome bumpers as part of the base. A small Goodyear detail is on the back fenders. The wheels are muscle 5-spoke wheels, and that's pretty much it. Next up, we have the 1987 Dodge D100. This is a fairly big casting. We get the usual Hot Wheels 58 decals on both sides, a Dodge branding on the door. The spare wheel on the back is a part of the interior plastic model. The base is gold chrome, and the wheels are beadlock off-road wheels. And then we have the Subaru Brat. I think this Loki looks very good. The Hot Wheels 58 decal is on the sides. A really nice front look. I wish we got some sort of front or tail light details. It would have looked amazing. The base is gold chrome, and the wheels are Baja 5-spoke wheels. So there we have it, the 58th anniversary set of this year, dubbed as the Blue and Gold set. Obviously, I'm missing the chase piece, a photo which I'll add here. I couldn't find it. Hopefully, if I do, I'll make a separate video. From this set, I think the Honda Civic EG and the Subaru Brat are my favorite castings. And that's it for now. Comment down whatever your thoughts are on this set, and subscribe for more such diecast videos. I'll see you in the next one.